So good day everyone, especially to you Ma'am Tilendo. My name is Julhana Esatopeno and today I'm going to explain my soap basket design. So this is my soap basket. So for this activity, I made a soap basket with a simple and refreshing design. So I used the mint green ribbon and purple flower that I made. So because I wanted the color to reflect calmness, cleanliness, and nature. So this green ribbon made me think of freshness and natural ingredients. So for me, it is a perfect for soap that I bought that are gentle and good for skin. So I added the mint green ribbon to give it a softer, more relaxing look like something you'd see in a spa or self-care gift. So aside from that, the color green is my mother's favorite color. So I didn't just pick the color randomly, I really thought about how they would match the theme and make the basket look neat and calming. So overall, I wanted the soap basket to feel freshness, clean and thoughtfully made. And I think the ribbons helped me bring that idea to life. So as you can see, there's a ribbon in both sides, this one and this one, that fully gives it a calm feature. So I also added a purple flower that my mom's favorite flower. At the top, there's a pin that gives a neat look and also a cotton and flower. So I wrapped the handle with a mint green satin lace.